What if my IRS refund is taking longer than 21 days on Credit Karma Tax? Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. If your IRS refund is taking longer than 21 days after filing your tax return using Credit Karma Tax, there are several steps you can take to investigate the delay. The first step you want to take is head over to irs.gov and then click on Where's My Refund tool. You can use this tool to check your refund. Your refund status will appear around 24 hours after you e-file a current year return, 3 or 4 days after you e-file a prior year return, 4 weeks after you file a paper return. To check, you will need to provide your social security number, filing status, and exact refund amount. Ensure that you entered all information correctly on your tax return, including your social security number, bank account information for direct deposit, and any other relevant details. If the Where's My Refund tool doesn't provide a satisfactory explanation for the delay, consider contacting the IRS directly. You can reach them by phone at 1-800-829-1040 number, or there are other numbers available as well. Be prepared to provide your social security number, filing status, and refund amount when contacting the IRS. Double-check your tax return for any errors or omissions that could cause a delay in the processing. Mistakes such as incorrect social security number, mathematical errors, or missing forms can lead to delay in receiving your refund. If you discover an error on your tax return after filing, you may need to file an amended return using Form 1040X. However, you have to be aware that filing an amended return can further delay your refund. If you face any difficulties, you can contact the customer support of IRS or Credit Karma Tax directly. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section below. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.